Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use voice meter banana. So first off, you want to go to your Google and write up voice meter banana. As you can see, I've got it here. It comes from VB Audio. It is this one here. Just on the exe file, this one here. Once you've clicked on install,
to make your music come into the
and then
microphone.
download this one.
So
yeah, I will leave it in
what you want here
for these.
is you want to make that as your virtual
once these two are installed,
audio virtual cable. Alright,
really
and if you want to
do
have like
is open them
Spotify
up.
run for your headphones, sorry, your microphone, you've got to open Spotify
come up
or YouTube,
like so.
whatever one you want to play. Alright,
your
you get that open,
A1 should be,
and then you want to come on down to
so for the high definition audio.
You want to come down
and
to
then this one
advanced
should go to your
sounds
microphone,
options.
and that'll be
And then you want to
B1
find
all the way along. What I would recommend is to remove these two B1s and only leave that B1. Anything with B1 will be listening to your microphone. So say if you wanted like music to be running
for some reason my Spotify is not showing up, but Spotify should show up.
You would,
and then when it shows up, all you got to do is click on the top one and put that as your virtual audio cable.
You have B1 that go to
so anything you want playing for your microphone, you put that as your virtual audio cable.
You need to come
once
down
that is
here
set,
to your
and then this is set up here. Anything basically
audio,
playing,
right click onto that, and
that is
the
connected through that audio cable will come to here.
Playback, recording.
So it'll play through here, and then you can put it through your microphone.
VB Audio voice meter via as your default communication device, as well as your default device.
Just extra little knob and stuff, so you can
then
equalize the mode, play around with it if you want.
Might make your game
before
your
do turn it off.
voice
put it on run on startup.
Your audio disappear. But make this as a
take
default
over all
device.
your audio
if
stuff.
it does disappear and that
so
if
it closes, you'll not be able to hear anything.
Then all you got to do is come back up here and then but that is your
sometimes you want to double check in your games
come back.
And where your microphone is being used.
Once that is done,
to make sure it is
you have
using
that,
the right
when you speak, this should be
the bio port.
If you want to make it loud,
I will show you one
down
time,
and then you can compensate it like
it is
louder or whatnot. Gate here
this
is
one here,
to make it
BAIO,
audio
voice meter.
If your voice is picking up background stuff, so it will be harder to hear.
Other than that, if you got any questions,
this is normally here.
I'll try to get back
I like to put mine about here.
So
it makes it sound different, makes it sound more nicer. I just said before about the B1s. Everything with A1 is your headphones, so if you have these both B1 and A1, you should be able to hear your headphones through your voice through your headphones. I do warn you, it does sound very fuzzy through voice meter banana, but through Discord, if you want to check that out through Discord, I recommend doing it. It sounds a lot better, and it's really what it meant to sound like. In here it sounds, you can hear white noise, and that's about it. Alright, so virtual audio cable, that is for your basically your music. It's basically to make your music come into the microphone. So what you want here is you want to make that as your virtual VB audio virtual cable. Alright, and if you want to have like Spotify run for your headphones, your microphone, you've got to open Spotify or YouTube, whatever one you want to play. Alright, you get that opened,
and then you want to come on down to open sound settings, right? You want to come down to advanced sounds options, click on that, and then you want to find it is correct. For some reason my Spotify is not showing up, but Spotify should show up. And then when it shows up, all you got to do is click on the top one and put that as your virtual audio cable. So anything you want playing through your microphone, you put that as your virtual audio cable. Once that is set, and then it's just set up here, anything basically playing that is connected through that audio cable will come to here. So it'll play through here, and then you can put it through your microphone and then people can hear it. Other than that, these here are just extra little knobs and stuff, so you can equalizer mode, play around with it if you want. Before you do turn it off, put it on run on startup, as this will take over all your audio stuff, so if it closes you will not be able to hear anything or be able to use your microphone. Sometimes you want to double check in your games and where your microphone is being used, just to make sure it is using the right the vido port, which I will show you one time. It is this one here, the VAIO, VB audio, voice meter, AIO. So yeah. Other than that, if you've got any questions, let me know. I'll try to get back to you. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.